So guys, this is our new house. Oh my gosh. Look at this house, y'all.
Oh my gosh, this is what you want.
Look at that view. That's exactly what we want.
How many rooms?
This one I think is 4.
We have one in the bottom here.
And it has a fireplace. This is the perfect spot right here for a Christmas tree. They even have a plug right there.
Hey, this is beautiful.
So this is the stairwell. I love the stairwell. They still have to stain it. They're gonna stain it a darker brown. This will be the office possibly right here. We already want to do a bunch of DIYs. So this is,
You going outside? You can't go outside.
Mom is gonna go out right here.
be careful.
I'm not gonna go down.
You put one and pick you up.
Dad. So this is the view. They still have to put sod, but this backyard is huge, y'all. It goes like from here all the way. You can't even see the other side. And this is the kitchen. And then that's the upstairs. So we're gonna redo the carpet. We're gonna redo this. This is really cute, guys. What's up here? This is the laundry. And then this comes with it too. Oh wow, baby, did you see the master? The view.
Wow, that's incredible. Incredible.
Now this shower, or the bathroom, is something that we can completely redo, because we're definitely going to, because this right here is not gonna work for me. So we're definitely gonna redo all of this. I don't know when we're gonna redo it, but all this has gotta go. I wanna do something really cool. But yeah, it's weird though, because this side is gorgeous. White cabinets, a really nice granite. But then you look at the floor, that doesn't match. And whoever designed this just did not do a good job. So this way is the closet. It is huge. Like, let me see if I can get it in the frame. Like it doesn't even do it justice. But it's big enough to where I can put like an island in the center with like all of my jewelry and stuff. That's gonna be cool. And then toilet, and then linen closet. They haven't put up the lights or the glass here either. I love the ceiling. So here is the media room. They have it pre-wired, as you can see on top, for surround sound, projectors right here. Huh?
4 bedrooms, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the media room right here.
3, 4, 5.
No.
Isn't that a bedroom?
That's a media room.
That's the other colors get beat out.
I know.
No, it hasn't been painted or.
Yeah, the banisters are gonna be dark brown.
Yeah, this is big over here.
That's a big room over there.
Hey, look at this freaking view. Oh my gosh. So this is gonna be blocked after a while because you're gonna have a house right here. But if it's a 1-story house, you can, maybe. But either way, you can probably still get a little bit of view of the hills and the other houses. It's beautiful.
I don't know why they use this ugly tile. I mean, we could tear this tile out. That's not an issue.
It doesn't matter.
I just don't like that tile.
Kind of goes. That's cool. We go into the bedroom.
This bedroom is large too.
It's really nice. Nice closet too.
All right, guys, but look at this. This staircase is beautiful. This room is really pretty, guys. Are you behind me?
I am.
A really pretty chandelier here. Ah. Closet. Then we have, I think it's a linen closet. And then a double sink. That's nice. Double sink, baby. And then this way is another room. View is just crazy. Wow. This is ridiculous. Everybody's filming or taking pictures. But this is our house, guys. I cannot believe, like, this is going to be our house. You see this view? It's amazing.
Yeah, qué padre.
Where did Daryl go?
All your coffee and your...
I know, that's where we went with our coffee and stuff. Dude, where were you? We were looking for you.
You went around the house?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm exploring. You gotta walk your real estate, you know?
Are you liking it so far?
I love it. I love it.
Look, your birdies. That one had a pico red.
Mom's just gonna be chilling here watching.
Ooh, we can have all types of little bird seed out here.
Yeah, I saw it. I got some seeds. Just wild birds. And now all of them stopped there.
So this is right behind our house. How beautiful is that? Daryl's already over there. Wow, guys, I cannot believe. Our yard's back there?
Yeah, it stops right here.
What?
Stops right here. That blue one. The blue one. Right, okay, right here.
No way.
Yeah. So the fence is gonna be coming along this way.
Let's go talk. So,
Yes.
how are you feeling picking house number 2 when you said I was gonna pick it?
Well, I just feel like you love it too.
Uh-huh.
And it's a really good real estate choice. It is. It's great. You know it, I know it, we know it.
Oh gosh.
No, it's really nice. It's super nice and it's beautiful and I can really see a future there. And that's what gets me really excited because you have the backyard, we do like an infinity pool on.
And that's gonna be DIY galore.
I mean, come on. Come on.
You got your Spurs gear in San Antonio, huh?
Go Spurs, go.
Okay guys, so we
I had to do it.
hope you enjoyed our new house.
My new house, baby.
Oh my gosh. This is
That's right,
crazy.
honeys.
The
New
house
house.
had many blinds. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Which one? The other one?
But yeah guys, so this is like not even really an empty house tour because it's still not done. This is gonna be our new house. I cannot believe this. Crazy. So thank you guys so much for watching. We have so many DIYs to do. It's going to be so much content. I look a hot mess. I'm like so red. It's super hot here in San Antonio. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We cannot wait to show you the empty house tour once it's all done. And of course, a furnished house tour. I'm definitely going to be on top of it when it comes to all the videos that we need to film, all the DIYs we need to film. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'm so excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.
All right, video number 2. Big new house. Golly, though, that's big. They painted them, right? Nice tree. It's gonna get big, I feel like. That view, though. It's still kicking. Ooh, the carpet dirty today. Okay. Yeah. Dang, this is a deep backyard. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize it was going that deep.
That's all our yard?
That's kind of scary. Oh, look at this deck.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're quite welcome.
Wowzers.
We can already like just pop a pergola on top of here, you know?
Yeah.
Let me go down and look back. Because what I would do is expand the deck to like here-ish, where this 4th window is, and then pop a pergola right there. That'd be nice.
I think I just kept it like this so it doesn't disrupt the view though.
Yeah. No, that's smart. Golly, look how deep this is. I did not think for a second it was gonna go this deep. To come here? Yes. This is like beyond having a pool. You can have a pool. You can like guest house back here. This thing is huge. This is like somebody's whole lot. I'm not even to the very end. And you still got these trees. Like golly. Yeah, I don't know about having a regular like push mower. Can you even hear me? Yeah. I don't know about having a push mower. You gotta have like a riding mower back here. Cause this is pretty crazy. Yeah. Okay, love you. What does this look like around? Oh. Okay. All right. Oh, Jesus. What are you trying to say? This is the march right here, dude. Just getting up here is crazy. Look at this way over here, too. Golly.
Look, it's in the fireplace.
Oh my gosh, that's nice.
Isn't that beautiful?
I didn't think it was gonna be that nice.
He told me it was only gonna be the black. He didn't say it would be built up. And look, there you come. This is like your dream.
Oh
Look at how
wow.
nice you are.
Gosh, that's amazing.
It's like beautiful. I probably could change this out. Honestly, I don't like it. So I'll probably get like a really pretty, like maybe black one.
Yeah.
Really long black one.
Yeah.
I like that sink. The farmhouse sink. It's huge.
Yeah. That's pretty awesome. The refrigerator's nice. This wasn't here last time,
This is
right?
here.
I don't even mind the wooden fence because this is so deep.
It looks so beautiful.
I wouldn't be in a rush to change it. I mean, like, I would maybe want to change it, but it is so nice. I'm like,
Maybe
not
our
even tripping.
kids could like roll down that hill.
I know.
Like, you saw Nikki and Noah to do that? They'd have so much fun with that.
Mm-hmm.
This bathroom that I hate so much, but it's not a big deal. That's a really nice tub.
It's fun to see everything finished.
I know, right?
It's moving ready.
It's so pretty. And this kitchen is like literally my dream kitchen, baby.
I
Like, look
know.
how big this kitchen is. And it has a white cabinet, really pretty granite countertop, double oven.
Double oven, babes.
That's gonna be amazing for Thanksgiving.
Yeah. This is the type of house where like you gotta have everybody over for Thanksgiving. Like
Everybody for Christmas.
everybody for Christmas. I mean, look at this stovetop too.
I know. The stove sounds freaking amazing. I love it.
Yeah.
And there's a coffee station right here.
Like everything about it's amazing. And now for the stairs. But yeah, so I want to come over here first, see this what this view looks like over here. Now that they got this house.
Oh yeah.
Because I was really hoping they just put a 1-story, but I mean it's still nice, even with the 2-story. You can see all of their business for sure. Be like, hey, what are you doing, neighbor? You can see everything.
Yeah, that was such a good view before that house too.
Yeah. Wow. The light's already on, huh? Didn't have to turn the light. You turn the light on or no?
No.
It's already on.
And your studio is over here.
Got a little issue right there. Gotta fix that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That view is really nice though.
Yeah, it's very nice. Wow. Yeah. Dang. It's basically a San Antonio castle. It's basically what it is. And what we're calling room.
That's in the name.
Oh my bad.
Our baby's room.
Baby's room, sorry. Most greatest way of saying something is to say nothing at all. Wow.
They really like
Just make it perfect, why don't ya?
the only thing is the floor and I can't stand it.
Yeah, it's a little basic.
Alright, we gotta go. Say bye, house.
You gotta go to Buc-ee's, get some coffee.
Yeah.
Well, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be. Big old plate.